this is the fabulous oatmeal in the world. I'm ready to make it and it's so good. It's the yummiest. I'm putting a tablespoon of maple syrup in. And you can use any kind of berries you want. Any kind. But you normally want to do 2 cups of berries. The bigger your family is. And then I'm putting 3 cups of water in. These 2 are 3 cups. And then I'll put a tablespoon of brown sugar in. Maybe 2. Can do 2 or 1. I'm going to put 2 in. And then I'm going to put 2 cups of oatmeal in. 1 and 2. It's my fabulous oatmeal in the world. This is For Life Kitchen. My mom doesn't really like oatmeal, but this kind of oatmeal, she's just love it. She loves it. And my dad loves making oatmeal. We almost have oatmeal every day. And a few days ago, I think about it. And then I came to Michigan and helped my Nona and Papa make this. And I'm gonna probably go to my Nana and Papa's and make it too. So it's so yummy. I want a lot of people to know how to make this. And I might make a rock cellar, maybe in Michigan. So this is For Life Kitchens. I'm making this video 2 times. I did it last time, and I think you know that. And so I think in just a minute we're gonna cook it. And I'm putting it on the stove. I don't want to lose any oatmeal. Okay, this is at my Nona and Papa's. I usually use electric stove, but this is a gas stove, so you want to be careful. So I'm gonna turn it really high, and then when it starts boiling, I'm gonna turn it to simmer. This is boiling now, so I'm gonna turn it on simmer and stir it. It's really hot. You have to be really, really careful if you have clothes on it. And I'm putting the lid on. It took 20 minutes to make this, and I'm gonna scoop some out for you. I'm eating my yummy oatmeal that has ever been good. I actually learned it. I didn't learn it from anyone in the world. I just learned it from my mind. I just thought about it. And then I'm making it at Nona and Papa's. Now I'm eating. Thank you for watching. Bye.